In a world where borders seem to be ever more porous, where information travels at light speed, and where global challenges demand collective action, have you ever paused to consider the importance of understanding international relations? International relations, often abbreviated as IR, is a field of study that delves into the interactions between sovereign states, international organizations, non-governmental organizations, and other actors within the global system. It's akin to the heartbeat of the world, pulsating with the rhythm of politics, diplomacy, conflict, cooperation, and a myriad of factors that shape the behavior of nations and international actors. The stage of international relations is graced by several key actors. Sovereign states, traditional players with defined territories and governments, are the main protagonists. International organizations, entities like the United Nations or the International Monetary Fund, orchestrate the symphony of global governance. Non-governmental organizations, private groups operating across borders, often champion specific causes, or provide humanitarian assistance. Theoretical perspectives in international relations provide the lens through which we view this global stage. Realism emphasizes the role of power and the pursuit of national interests, viewing states as rational actors focused on survival and self-interest. Liberalism, on the other hand, spotlights cooperation, international institutions, and the role of international law, seeing potential for mutual benefit through diplomacy and multilateralism. Constructivism focuses on the role of ideas, norms, and identities, suggesting that shared beliefs and values influence state behavior. In the realm of international relations, several issues and themes emerge. Security studies probe into the causes and consequences of conflict and war, as well as the strategies states employ to ensure their security. International political economy investigates the interaction between politics and economics on the global stage, spanning trade, finance, and development. Human rights tackle issues related to individual and collective rights on an international scale. Global governance explores how international institutions and norms contribute to managing global challenges. These global challenges are numerous and complex. Climate change, an issue with wide-reaching international implications, demands cooperation among states. Transnational terrorism, involving non-state actors posing security threats across borders, requires concerted action. Pandemics highlight the need for international cooperation in health crises. Diplomacy and conflict resolution study the practice of diplomacy, negotiation, and conflict resolution as essential tools for managing international relations. International relations is a multidisciplinary field, drawing from political science, history, economics, sociology, among others. Scholars and practitioners in this field aim to understand, explain, and predict the behavior of states and other actors in the global arena. In the face of the complexities of the modern world, international relations remains a dynamic and evolving field of study, ever more crucial in our interconnected world. So next time when you ponder about the world and its intricate dynamics, remember, understanding international relations is akin to understanding the pulse of our globalized world.